In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about strings in C language. Hello everyone, this is Teja and welcome to Skills Grow. The topics that we are going to discuss in this video are: what is string, declaration of strings, initialization of strings, string input output, and string functions. Okay, let's dive into our concept. What is a string? String is actually an one-dimensional array of characters. String is terminated by a null character. Declaration of strings. The following declaration creates a string to hold null character at the end of the array. The size of the character array containing the string is one more than the number of characters in the word. Actually, you shouldn't need to place the null character at the end of the string constant. The C compiler automatically places it. Strings can also be declared using pointers. Initialization of strings. In C language, strings can be initialized in a number of different ways. But for convenience and ease, both initialization and declaration are done in the same step using arrays and pointers. Using arrays. The string ABCD is initialized and stored in the form of array as below. Using pointers. Strings can also be initialized using pointers. Here in the below example, asterisk symbol is used to denote the pointer. String input or output. There are two types of functions for string input or output in C language. They are printf and scanf functions, puts and gets functions. Printf and scanf functions takes only the strings that are before the white space, whereas puts and gets read the entire text line. So these functions are used whenever there is need to take entire string. Here is an example program to read and write strings. In the program, we are declaring the string as a character array with index 20. The %s used in printf is a format specification for printing out a string. Scanf function fills the characters typed in keyboard into this array until enter key is hit. Once it's hit, scanf function places a null character in the array. Then printf function prints out the string entered by the user. Here, the input given by the user is nagan, and hence the nagan gets printed out as an output. String functions. String functions are used in computer programming languages to manipulate a string or inquire information about a string. String length function. It returns the length of the string without including the terminator character. Here, syntax returns the length of the string if it is less than the maximum value specified for maximum length, or else it will return the maximum length value. String concatenate function. It concatenates two strings and returns the concatenated string. String copy function. It copies the string 2 into string 1 even including the end character. Here is an example program for string copy, string length and string concatenate functions. Here the character array is used to declare string 1, string 2 and string 3, and the string 1 and string 2 are initialized with hello and world respectively. Later we are using string copy function to copy the string 1 into string 3, which gives us the output hello, which is string 1. Then string concatenate function is used to add string 2 to string 1, which gives us the concatenated string hello world. Then string length function is used to calculate the length of the string 1, which gives us the output 10, which is the length of the string 1. String compare. It compares the two strings and returns an integer value. Here is a syntax for using string compare operation. The value of integer will be negative if the length of the string 1 is less than length of string 2, and it will be 0 if both the strings are equal, and the value of returned integer will be positive if length of the string 1 is greater than length of string 2. Thank you for watching the video and log on to skillsgrow.com to learn more courses.